Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll show you how to make dosa batter and different type of dosas. So let's get started. Take a bowl and add 3 cups of idli rice and 1 spoon of fenugreek seeds. Wash it thoroughly and soak it for 5 hours. Now take another bowl and add 1 cup of urad dal to it. Wash it thoroughly and soak it for 4 hours. Now take a wet grinder and add a soaked urad dal to it. Grind it until it is smooth and fluffy for 20 to 25 minutes. Add little water and grind it. Now our dal is smooth and fluffy. Remove it in another bowl. Now add soaked idli rice to the grinder. Add 3 by 4 cup of poha to it and 2 cups of water. Grind it for 15 minutes. The idli rice should be coarsely grinded. Transfer this into the bowl. Mix dal and rice batter thoroughly with the hands. This gives better fermentation. Allow it to ferment for 8 hours. Now our batter is fermented nicely. Add salt to it before making dosas. Now let's prepare a plain dosa. Now our dosa is ready. Now let's prepare podi dosa. Add dosa batter and spread it. And add oil. Now sprinkle the dosa powder to it. Add 1 spoon of ghee. Cook it until our dosa becomes crispy. Look how delicious it is. Now let's prepare sponge dosa. This dosa will be a bit thick. Add oil and close and cook for 2 minutes. Our sponge dosa is ready to be served. Now let's prepare onion uttapam. Add dosa batter and spread it thick. Now add oil to it. Add onion, green chili and coriander leaves. Close and cook. Flip it over. Now our onion uttapam is ready to be served. Now let's make some paniyaram. First add oil to it. Add a little dosa batter to it. Close and cook for 2 to 3 minutes on low flame. Now flip it. Add oil if it's required. Now our paniyaram is ready. With one dosa batter, we can make different type of breakfast daily. Now let's make some coconut chutney. Add quarter cup of peanuts to the pan and dry roast it. Keep it aside. To the same pan, add 1 full grated coconut, 8 green chili. Roast it well. The green chilies can be increased or decreased according to your taste. Fry the coconut until light brown. This is the exact color you should get. Transfer all this to the mixie jar. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add water and grind it into fine paste. Put into another bowl. Let's temper the chutney now. Take a small pan and add oil to it. Once oil gets heated, add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, urad dal and chana dal, dry red chili, and curry leaves. Pour this tempering into the chutney. Our coconut chutney is ready to be served. You can serve your chutney with the dosas. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like and share and hit the notification bell so that you guys can be notified whenever we post new videos. Bye.